गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज हम लोग सॉल्युबिलिटी के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे, है ना। तो सॉल्युबिलिटी इज डिफाइंड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट dissolved in a given quantity of solvent or solution in order to form a saturated solution at a particular temperature, right? A saturated solution is one in which an equilibrium is established between the solute dissolved and that settled in the bottom. When such solution is heated, then it becomes unsaturated, and when it is cooled, then it becomes supersaturated. ऐसा हम लोग ऑब्जर्व करते हैं। एक बार सॉल्यूशन सेचुरेट हो गया तो उसको अगर हीट करेंगे तो फिर से वो अनसेचुरेटेड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि फर्दर डिसोल्यूशन शुरू हो जाएगा। और अगर हम सेचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन को ठंडा करेंगे तो फिर उसमें जो सॉलिड डिजॉल्व है वो नीचे बैठना शुरू हो जाएंगे, तो वो सुपर सेचुरेटेड हो जाएगा, राइट। तो सॉल्युबिलिटी तीन सेक्शन, वन इज सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ सॉलिड इन लिक्विड, अदर इज सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ लिक्विड इन लिक्विड, एंड अदर इज सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ गैस इन लिक्विड। तो सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ सॉलिड इन लिक्विड, सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ सॉलिड इन लिक्विड is defined as the amount of solid dissolved in a given quantity of solvent in order to form a saturated solution at a particular temperature and pressure. Solubility of solid is affected by the factors like nature, temperature and pressure. Nature means solubility is guided by the rule like dissolves like, यानी polar solute dissolve in polar solvent and non-polar solute dissolve in non-polar solvent. Temperature plays the key role in the solubility, which is guided by the Leach-Ateliers principle we have studied in the previous semester equilibrium chapter, that if the dissolution process is endothermic, then the rise in temperature increases the solubility, but if it is exothermic, then the solubility decreases with the rise in temperature. Okay. Pressure has hardly any effect on the solubility of solid in liquid because solids are almost incompressible. Okay. Now solubility of liquid in liquid. So the two liquids are supposed to be completely miscible with each other if the intermolecular force develops between them is very much similar to their individual intermolecular force. अगर दो लिक्विड के बीच डेवलप होने वाला इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स अगर उनके अपने इंडिविजुअल इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स के जैसा है, के बराबर है, तब तो ये समझा जा सकता है कि ये लिक्विड्स आपस में कंप्लीटली मिसिबल होंगे, है ना। और अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो फिर वो सॉल्युबिलिटी नहीं होगी। ओके। नाउ we will discuss the solubility of gas in liquid. Solubility of gas in liquid is defined as the volume of the gas in cc that can dissolve in unit volume of the liquid in to form a saturated solution at the temperature of the experiment and under a pressure of 1 atmosphere. That means कि the volume of gas in cc dissolved per volume of solvent at a particular temperature under pressure of 1 atmosphere is called solubility of gas in liquid. It also depends upon the nature of gas and the temperature, the pressure and temperature also. Nature of gas, that means the gas which can be liquefied easily, that is the gas having high critical temperature, is supposed to be more soluble in liquid than that having low critical temperature which cannot be liquefied easily. Similarly, temperature, the rise in temperature decreases the solubility of gas in liquid because it increases the kinetic energy of molecules. So molecules का escaping tendency बढ़ जाएगा टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से, जिसके कारण उसकी solubility घट जाएगी, वो सॉल्यूशन से बाहर आने लगेगा। ठीक इसी तरह से प्रेशर हैज ए की रोल in the solubility of gas in liquid because the rise in pressure increases the solubility of gas in liquid. Okay. And this is guided by a very famous law which is called Henry's law, which we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.